Hello everyone, my name is INGE GUSTIARNI with students number 232122028 and I'm from class B, Methodology in LT course. Today, I would like to explain and show the demonstration video of teaching reading and writing by using gender-based approach. Now, let's start with the definition. According to November 2013, the gender-based approach or GBA is based on the idea that every text follows certain language patterns and structures depending on its social purpose and context. Research by Tom Choller and Jerome Tawachai 2020 showed that GBA significantly improved Thai-level students' writing ability, particularly in linguistic features, rhetorical organization, and gender awareness. And Dai 2021 further stated that GBA effectively improves academic writing performance by connecting language, content, and context through clear and systematic instruction. Now, let's move to the core principle of GBA. The first one is contextual learning. Language is learned through a real and purposeful text, not just from isolated grammar rules. This means students study language that is used in real communication. Second, modeling first. So before students start writing, they read and analyze model text. This helps students understand the structure, purpose, and language features of a certain genre like report, narrative, or recount text. Third, guided practice. The teacher and students write together, and the teacher helps the class build sentences and paragraphs step by step. Next, there is independent production. It means that students create their own text after guidance from the teacher. And the last one is explicit teaching. Throughout the process, the teacher clearly explains the structure, key language features, and vocabulary used in the genre. Now let's jump into the stages of teaching reading and writing using GBA. The first one is building knowledge of field or BKLF. In this first stage, the teacher helps students connect the topic with their own experiences. This activity activates their background knowledge and builds interest in lesson. Second, modeling of text or MOT. The students read or listen to a model text, and together with the teacher, they analyze its purpose, structure, and language use. Third, joint construction of text or GCOT. After understanding the model, the class works together to write a similar text, and the teacher guides the process and supports students in choosing the right words and sentence patterns. And finally, the last stage is independent construction of text, or GCOT. In this stage, students write their own text individually. They apply what they learned from the previous steps to produce a complete and meaningful text. This approach is very effective for teaching reading and writing because it combines explicit teaching, collaboration, and independent learning. Now, to strengthen your understanding, let's watch the demonstration video of teaching reading and writing by using GBA. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Great.
Okay, so now we are going to learn and talk about recount text. The recount text is a text used to tell past experience or events in order. Now, let's see few pictures here. I have pictures of mountain, beach, and city. I want to ask you, where did you go on your last holiday, Shabila and Rosani?
I went to the beach.
Beach? What beach?
Madasari.
Oh, Madasari Beach. It's wonderful. What about Shabila?
I went to Mount Galung.
Mount Galung. Okay, that's great. Now, I have this short text here, and I want you to read this aloud. So, Rosani, you can read from the first sentence until the second sentence, and Shabila will continue until the end. Please.
So last month I went to Bali with my friends. We swam in the sea and took many photos.
After that, we enjoyed seafood by the beach and then bought some souvenirs. It was a wonderful trip.
Okay, good job. And then this is the example of the recount text, which is somebody tells about their experience in the past. Okay, now
Anybody knows what tense is used in this text?
Past tense.
Past tense, good. And can you mention and show it some past verbs in this text?
When?
Swim.
Okay, what else?
Enjoy.
Boat.
And bought. Okay, let's see. Okay, correct. So the past verbs is went and then swam, enjoyed, and bought. Next, let's jump and analyze into the structure of recount text. The recount text is usually consists of three parts, which is orientation, which usually answers the question when, where, and who. The second part is events, usually tells about what happened. And the last part is reorientation that usually tells about the feelings. Okay, next, it's time to write. I want you to write your own short paragraph, at least 3 until 5 sentences about your memorable holiday. You can start now and I will give you 1 minute, please. Okay, everybody, time is up. Now, it's time to present your work. Start from Roslini, maybe?
Okay. So, last month, my family and I went to Madasari Beach. We played in the waves and took many photos. In the afternoon, we ate grilled fish while watching the sunset. It was a fun and relaxing day.
Okay, good job, Roslini. What about Shabila?
During the college break, my friends and I climbed Mount Galmu. The view from the top was amazing and we took a lot of pictures. After that, we relaxed near the hot spring. It was an unforgettable experience.
Okay, that's good. You already learned about recount text and write down your own experience using recount text. And now I want you to give your short reflection about today's lesson. Anybody wants to try?
I want to try.
Okay, please. Shabila.
So, we learned about recount text and write example about our experience using past tense.
Okay, good. Anybody wants to add some point?
Maybe we also learn about making a recount text using time order.
Okay, that's great. So maybe that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for your participation and have a nice day.
And that's all the demonstration of teaching reading and writing by using GBA. Thank you so much for watching and see you!